The most interesting part about working here is, you get to change people's lives literally through water. I mean, we're going out and we're helping these guys understand what's going into their bodies and onto their skin, and it's amazing getting to help younger kids with eczema and psoriasis and prevent people from purchasing more water bottles.
You know, every day we get a new water system into somebody's home, and to hear what the families have to say and how it's changed their life and how it's become something that has had all these huge impacts is pretty cool.
I think the most interesting thing that I do is really connect with the people out there so that we can help and bring them clean water and raise, their awareness in terms of what is water and how important it is for them and their loved ones.
There's a lot of creativity that we have to use. Each and every day is different. We're always working with a different family. We're always working with, different people in the industry too as well. We love to walk away from this desk every day. I get to walk away with some smiles, knowing that we do help a lot of families.
This is a genuine company. Miguel and Melissa are really out there to help people. They're really out there for people's best interest. It's not just a, give me your money, let's go. It's a, we're here to help and we're here to help after.
It's really awesome what they're doing. I'm so happy to be a part of this team and to watch it grow, and I'm excited to see where it's going.
My advice to new job seekers is that if you have passion and you have belief in water, then come over and help us expand our vision.
This isn't just a job. Job stands for just over broke. None of us here are broke. We all love what we do. It's a passion and it's a career that I'm very proud to be a part of.